Relax your chest. One more time. And all the way up. There you go.
These are clean.
Oh!
There it is.
Oh my god.
That probably got your whole hip too.
It did.
That was a big clump too.
Oh my god.
This one's a little more interesting. It's a couple taps. There it is.
Oh.
There it is.
Squat towards me. Keep your arms just like that. Foot here. Gonna adjust this lower back right there. Breathe in.
First off, this table is amazing for the low back. It's decompressing the low back, so it's nice. But it's also really good for adjusting while she's on the traction table too. Because people are so dang stiff in here. And so when it does traction down, it kind of opens up that joint for a better adjustment. So when it goes down, I like to just put a little push. That was very smooth. That blew up. A little more release than we thought. And then I'm just gonna do one more, so exhale. There. That was perfect. That was really good.
So good.